Hello guys, so I'm a little hungry and I'm gonna make me a Pop Mie. These are delicious. So they're really easy to make. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, see, when you look you find stuff. What is it?
They're like
Oh, okay. But I'm gonna enjoy a Pop Mie. If I can open it with one hand. What? Fine. Okay, so, oh no, I put a hole in it.
Oh.
Great. Anyway, so there's the contents right there. We got the spice packet, little tiny fork, another spice packet. So we're gonna pour those in. All right, so pour these two packets in. Make sure you get every last grain of spice. Oh, I spilled a little. This is the chicken flavor. And these, where is it? These are little chicken things. But I don't really like them that much in there. Anyway, I'm just gonna throw this out because I use a spoon. I know it sounds weird, but I like to get... Oh, I'll show you why. Alright, so all you gotta do is boil water and put it in there. And fill it up to the line. And then I close it up just by putting something on top of it. Now I wait a few minutes and then it'll be ready to eat. Okay, I think it's been long enough. I waited a little bit. So we're gonna mix it up. Yummy, yummy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Pop Mies. You can add some extra hot sauce if you want it extra spicy. Look. So what I like to do is use the sides with the spoon to kind of cut the noodles. So if they can't do this with one hand. And then you enjoy. Oh, it's hot. Anyway, subscribe, guys. Hope you enjoyed learning about Pop Mies. Have a good one.